Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 11. The real limiting factor in industrialization is the lack of capital equipment. The difficulties are of getting the capital equipment and special experience from those countries which happen to possess it and who have a surplus of it. How far it can be obtained, it is for you to calculate and the producing countries to decide. If it is not obtained quickly, the process of industrialization may be somewhat delayed, but it will go on. If it is considered right on the larger interest of the world that a country like India and other countries in the East should be industrialized, should increase and modernize agricultural production, it is in the interests of those countries that can help in this process to help the Asian countries with capital equipment and their special experience. But in doing so, it is to be borne in mind that no Asian country will welcome any such assistance if there are conditions attached to it which lead to any kind of economic domination. We would rather delay our development, industrial or other, than submit to any kind of economic domination by any country. That is an axiom which is accepted by everyone in India, and I shall be surprised if any other country in Asia does not accept it. We want to cooperate in the fullest measure in any policy or program laid down for the world's good, even though it might involve the surrender in common with other countries of any particular attribute of sovereignty, provided that is a common surrender all round. But a long period of foreign domination has made the countries of Asia very sensitive about anything which might lead to some visible or invisible form of domination. I would beg you of to remember this and to fashion your programs and policies so as to avoid anything savoring of the economic domination of one country by another. Political domination, it is admitted, leads to economic domination, but an invincible or semi invisible economic domination creeps in unless you are careful. If that creeps in, it will lead immediately to ill will and not to that atmosphere of cooperation which is so essential in this matter. In a long term view, I suppose the most important thing is to develop our power resources. From that will flow the industrialization of the country and an addition to our food production as such. Thank you.